Moving on. 2011 totally certified, dude. Yeah, that's the reason for the name. No, Romo's rich. You leave him alone. We said Jerry Jones. That's what we said. Get her done. Just a Kenny Britt. Is it backwards? Yeah, must be a patch or a jersey. Ooh, nice. Patch of Ryan Mallett. Was that a 1.79 color? Number 1 out of 49. They tried their damnedest to get more color on it. 24 out of 25, Sidney Rice. Yeah, they tried. Almost like a 2.97 color. Decent, decent. We got a redemption. And everything in here is base. We'll save that. We'll pretend we're surprised when we look at it. Mark Sanchez, base. Greg Jennings, Paul Postlosny. And I think it's behind. Yeah, it is. Knew it. Dang it. Luke Stalker. Autograph for the Bucks. Numbered 180 out of 299. Luke Stalker. Definitely Stalker. But it's being an ass. You know me. And it's all base. Good luck. For the Bears, the guys you guys didn't want. Jay Cutler. Number 20 out of 149. Pretzel loves it. His favorite team growing up. Base. Oh, that's a nice one. Cam Newton, Rookie of the Week insert. It's pretty. It's kind of a National Treasures insert wiki thing. It's nice. And it's a hit. Okay, upside down jersey for the Chiefs. Mr. D. Bizzle, Dwayne Bowe. 54 out of 249. Yeah, that would have been epic. It would have showed how much he cared about the Bears. Come on. All base, no rookies. And the hit. A jumbo jersey for the Dolphins again. Clyde Edmund Gates. Congrats. And the redemption is freshman fabric red, number 204. Austin Pettis is the blue, so I'm assuming it's just a variation. So that should be STL, St. Louis. 204 and 204. I will verify in a minute, but I am for sure it is Austin Pettis, number 204. For the Whams. Vlog, Vaughn, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of it.